My tummy hurts so much.
Oh dear, I knew it. Little friend, listen. I told you yesterday that fast food is like a trickster. It tastes good for a minute, but it makes your tummy sad later. Now tell me, was it the oily chips or the sweet soda?
Big Panda, cheesy burger, and the cold drinks. I'm really sorry, Panda. I promise. No more junk food.
Hmm, I know you are my little friend and I forgive you. But first, let's fix the pain, okay? Wait, now I'm going to make a special healthy juice for you. It's a sugar secret recipe that makes tummies happy again. Here we go. Drink this slowly. It has magic leaves and happy berries.
Hmm. Wow! Now I'm feeling better. I'm feeling better. Thank you, Panda. The pain is gone. Your juice is best medicine.
The best medicine is healthy food. So, what did we learn today?
I learned that home cooked food is the strongest and the best. We must always stay away from junk food.
Ho 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 ho. That's my smart monkey. Ho ho.